Okay, good morning children. Today we will start the new chapter, that is time. So open your textbook. Lesson number 11 in your textbook children. Page number 197. Open page number 197. Okay. See, lesson number 11 is time. So we have to studying the new chapter today. Okay. So you all familiar with the days of the week. How many days in a week children? There are 7 days in a week. We know that there are 7 days in a week. Start from Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how many days is there? 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So there are how many days in a week? 7 days in a week. See here they are given with the flower. Sunday is the first day. Second day Monday, third day Tuesday, fourth day Wednesday, fifth day Thursday, sixth day Friday, seventh day Saturday. So fill in the blanks here. Fifth day of the week is what children? Fifth day of the week is Thursday. Write here Thursday. 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 Monday is the dash day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. Last day of the week is what children? Last day is Saturday. Last day of the week is what? Saturday. Last day of the week is Saturday. Sunday is the dash day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Fourth day of the week is Wednesday. Fourth day of the week is Wednesday. Tuesday is the dash day of the week. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Tuesday is the third day of the week. There are dash days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Sixth day of the week is Friday. Sixth day of the week is Friday. Now coming to page number 199 children in your textbook. See here. Before and after days fill in the table as shown in. Okay. See, Sunday is the first day. Second day Monday. Tuesday third day. Fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Okay. Now see. Before and after you should write. Okay. Monday before is Sunday. After is Tuesday. So now Wednesday before is what? Tuesday. Wednesday before is Tuesday. Wednesday after is Thursday. Thursday before is Wednesday. Thursday after is Friday. Friday before is Thursday. Friday after is Saturday. Saturday before is Friday. Saturday after Sunday. Sunday before is Saturday. Sunday after Monday. Tuesday before is Monday. Tuesday after is Wednesday. So write the next 2 days that comes after Wednesday. See, after Wednesday, write the next 2 days. After Wednesday, next 2 days what? Thursday and Friday. See, Wednesday after next 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Right here, Thursday and Friday. Write the 2 days that comes before Saturday. Before Saturday 2 days. Okay, that is before Saturday. That is Friday and Thursday. Friday and Thursday. Friday and Thursday. Okay. Write the next 2 days that comes after Monday. Monday after 2 days what? Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay children. So coming to page and number 200. Okay children, here see, yesterday, today and tomorrow. See, hello, I am today. So hello, I am yesterday. I am the day before you. Okay. So hello, I am tomorrow. I am the day after you. Okay children. If today is Monday means yesterday was Sunday and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. See, think here. Today is Friday. It is birthday of Ram. Yesterday he went to the birthday of his friend Raju. Okay. Today is Ram's birthday and yesterday was Raju's birthday. Raju and Ramu are going to birthday of David tomorrow. See, when is birthday? Friday is birthday of Ram. Yesterday is Thursday. That is Raju's birthday. Tomorrow whose birthday? Name the day on which Raju celebrated his birthday. Okay, Raju and Ramu are going to birthday of David tomorrow. So, name the day on which Raju celebrated his birthday. See children, is Ramu's birthday is Friday. Okay. Friday is Ramu's birthday. Yesterday means before. That is Raju's birthday. Raju's birthday yesterday. Tomorrow is David birthday is tomorrow. Okay. See, yesterday, today and tomorrow. Okay children. Raju's yesterday, but Ramu's birthday Friday. Yesterday Raju birthday. That is yesterday means Friday before what? Thursday will come. So tomorrow means Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. Okay. What they asking the question? Name the day on which Raju celebrated his birthday. Raju celebrated his birthday on Thursday. Raju celebrated his birthday on Thursday. Name the day on which David will celebrate his birthday. David will celebrate his birthday on Saturday. See children, yesterday means before you have to write. Tomorrow means after day you have to write. Okay children, coming to page number 201. See, complete the table. Sunday, Monday. Yesterday is Sunday, today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay. Here is tomorrow is Thursday given. You have to write today's and yesterday's. So what you will write? Thursday. Okay. Thursday before what will come? Wednesday. Because today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yesterday, Wednesday, yesterday what? Tuesday. Okay. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Here Tuesday. Okay, today is what? Yesterday is Tuesday means today is what? Today also Wednesday. Today Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Yesterday is Friday. See, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Here is Thursday. Today what will be there? Friday. Here tomorrow is Saturday. Okay. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. Yesterday was Saturday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay children. If yesterday was Sunday, today is what children? Yesterday was Sunday. Today is what? Monday. Okay. If yesterday was Sunday, think that is 7 days you keep here. See, I will write here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See the question here. If yesterday was Sunday, today is what? Yesterday is Sunday. Okay, that is today is Monday. Okay. If today is Friday, tomorrow will be today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. If yesterday was Wednesday, yesterday was what? Wednesday, then today is what? Okay, yesterday is Wednesday means today is Thursday. Thursday and tomorrow is Friday. See, the day after Monday. The day after Monday is what? The day after Monday is Tuesday. The day after Monday is what, children? The day after Monday is, okay, that is Tuesday. Tuesday comes after Monday. Tuesday will come after Monday. Monday after Tuesday now. So Tuesday comes after Monday. So the day before Thursday is Wednesday. Wednesday. If today is Saturday, yesterday is Friday. Yesterday was Friday. If today is Saturday, yesterday was Friday, and tomorrow is what, children? Sunday. If today is Saturday, yesterday was Friday, and tomorrow is Sunday. If Monday is Anaga's birthday, the next day is dash. If Monday is Anaga's birthday, the next day is Tuesday. Coming to page number 202, children. Okay, that is months of the year. So I will continue in the next class, children. Thank you.